a professional wildlife photographer. I'm originally from Sweden, but for the last 20 years or so, my base has been the small country of Malta in the central Mediterranean Sea. A great image for me is an image where you can feel something looking at it. You have a connection to the animal in the picture. I travel the world in search of that unique image where everything is coming together into one image. Light, background, angle, and probably the most important, that emotional connection to the animal in the picture. To do this, I need to think as a photographer and not just act as a bystander. I need to try to predict where the animal is going to go. I try to predict what it's going to do, to be able to position myself in the best possible position to take that image that I'm looking for. The obsession of making all these elements work in one image is probably what keeps me going as a photographer. I love traveling, I love seeing animals in different habitats around the world, but Africa has a special place in my heart. All those amazing animal icons that we have seen, many of us have seen from a young age in books or nature documentaries on TV, are just there in their natural habitat, wild animals. Talking about elephants, lions, zebra, giraffe, and so on. Jacques Cousteau once said, "We protect what we love." It's a great quote which has a lot of relevance nowadays. Seeing these animals in the wild was for me, for a very long time, just a dream, as for many others. Now, though, I have the privilege of experiencing these animals on a regular basis, and I almost feel it's my duty or my mission to bring home great images for others to see and get inspired by. And if I can just inspire one or a handful of people to do something to protect these animals, I feel that all my work is really worth it. Spending a lot of time with one species of animal, or even better, spending a lot of time with one individual animal, is probably the best way to get great images. Why? Because, number one, the animal learns that you're not a threat, and you also pick up the behavior of the animal so that you can make your decisions faster and better. It's not only about the images, it's probably also the best way to come home with the most memorable experience of your trip or holiday or whatever it might be.